What do you think you can do to get President Trump some relief here?
Well, yeah, and I agree with you on the reality of an impeachment. Even if you could get an impeachment through the House, there's zero chance of getting a conviction in the Senate. I mean, the Democrats are just going to be too lockstep, and so you never get the necessary two-thirds vote. But I will say this. I think the notion that Chief Justice Roberts put out there the other day, that we don't impeach judges because we don't like their decisions. This goes well beyond that. This is an exercise of authority that is outside the jurisdiction of this court. The Alien Enemies Act specifically makes that clear, and that act has been upheld with controlling precedent that is binding on this judge. So he's exercising an authority here that he doesn't have. And the notion that you can't impeach judges for things like that is completely contrary to our founders' views on this. The impeachment power was considered the primary check against a rogue judiciary. And we've, for 200 years, thought, well, we just won't do anything for conduct on the bench, only if, you're caught with a little boy off the bench or whatever. But the founders wouldn't have cared about that. Yes, there's magic for the criminal law, but the violation of your oath of office, of exceeding your jurisdictional authority, of acting like a rogue tyrant from the bench, that was the thing that they thought they needed impeachment for, because that was a much more serious threat to the body politic. So even if they can't get a conviction, I think sending a shot across the bow that some of this conduct is going to be impeachable, and a warning shot against these judges, I think might have a salutary effect, even if an impeachment is never brought. So I think there is some merit to that. But I agree with you at the end. Not a single Democrat would vote for this. Just like not a single Democrat stood up in praise of President Trump's giving a honorary membership in the Secret Service to that 15-year-old cancer victim. So
amazing.